Today, I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Simply launch the Snapchat application and then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. That opens your profile page. Then tap on the settings cog icon in the top right. That takes you to the settings page. Here, scroll down to the privacy controls section and tap on blocked users. Now here you should see a list of all the users you have blocked. I only have one in my list. If you've blocked more people, you should see a longer list. So to block someone, simply tap on the X icon on the right side of their name, and then it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? Tap on yes to confirm, and that user will be removed from your block list because that user has now been unblocked. That is basically how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.